Recently, Xiaomi announced Redmi series as their sub-brand. They plan to launch budget smartphone for this lineup. Let's start the video by unboxing the new Redmi Note 7. You will get a Redmi Note 7 smartphones, some paperworks, a flexible back cover, SIM ejector pin, a charger and USB-C cable. Very simple packaging as we can see. Let's talk about design. At first look you might be confused with me play with this device. This phone has some similarity in available color with Mi8 Lite. Glass back panel, steel look-alike aluminum frame and overall rounded edge finishing makes so comfortable holding in hands. You will feel premium holding this device, and the color options are eye-catching. In back panel, Xiaomi puts Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is the best part of this phone for design. You might refuse to use back cover for showing off its stunning look to your friends. Volume rocker and power button on the right side and SIM slot on the left, 3.5mm audio jack on the left upper side following microphone and IR bluster. In the front side, you can see it has a dewdrop notch inside a front camera. Bottom chin contains a weird notification light. I never seen a notification light on the bottom chin before, kinda weird for me. In the back panel, there's a dual camera setup and flashlight on the top left and a fingerprint sensor. Dual speaker and USB-C port on the bottom. Upper earpiece is not as big as it seems. This phone is not waterproof, but it has watertight seal in every port, so normal rain is not a major concern, unless you puts your phone on a swimming pool. This phone comes with a great 6.3-inch IPS display, 1080x2340 resolution and 409 ppi, with 19.59 aspect ratio and Gorilla Glass 5. I can say I've seen a better display from Xiaomi after a long time, though it's not OLED but gets the job done. Colors are very vivid and bright, outdoor brightness is perfect. As security option, fingerprint and face unlock options are available. The face unlock is blazing fast, but I will suggest to use fingerprint as the primary unlock method, as the position is good, and fits finger perfectly on the scanner. Hardware section have Snapdragon 662.2 GHz octa-core processor, 4000 mAh battery, Qualcomm Quick Charge, 4 supported, micro South Dakota slot USB Type-C and Bluetooth 5. This phone comes with 3 storage option. 32/3, 64/4 and 64/6. Benchmarking performance comparing to the other South Dakota 660 cheapest is combatively good, but I don't feel this differences other than gaming performance. You will get a whole day backup for one full charge.